Is your Samsung phone not charging? This can happen because of issues with the charger, charging port, or software glitches. It's important to fix this quickly so you don't run out of power when you need your phone most. Don't worry, here's how to solve the charging problem on your Samsung phone. Before doing anything else, make sure you're using the original fast charging battery. Before doing anything else, make sure you're using the original fast charging charger and cable that came with your Samsung phone. After that, check your hardware issue. First of all, make sure to install the Samsung Members app from the Play Store. Then open the app. Next, tap Diagnostics. After that, sign in with your Samsung ID. If you don't have a Samsung ID, then make sure to create a new account. Then tap Phone Diagnostics. Scroll up, tap Cable Charging. Now connect your charger within 10 seconds. If it shows not working or any other issues, then you have to go to the customer care point. Or if it's show normal, that means there is no hardware issue. Now you can try following advanced guidelines. Solution 1. Turn on the fast charging feature. First, open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on battery, then scroll down again. Now tap on charging settings. Next, make sure to turn on fast charging toggle from here. Now connect your charger and check. If it does not work, solution 2, turn off wireless power sharing. Go to the settings, then scroll down. After that, tap on battery. Now scroll down again. Here you will find wireless power sharing. Tap on it and turn it off. Often it prevents charging. Now check your issue whether it is solved or not. If not, solution 3, wipe cache partition. First, power off your Samsung phone, then press and hold on the volume up and power buttons together until you see the Samsung Galaxy logo appear. Then your Android recovery mode will open. Now use the volume up and down button to scroll down and up, and tap the power button as OK. Now scroll down to find the wipe cache partition using the volume down button. Then tap on the power button to OK. Then select yes and tap OK. That's it. Now you have to reboot your system to back on. To do that, select Reboot System Now. Then tap OK. It will start to reboot. Wait for a while. Then enter your SIM card PIN code if it asks. Solution 4. Check software update. Go to settings once again. Now scroll down. Then tap software update. Next, tap download and install. If you have any updates available, they will start downloading automatically. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching.